Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. So, shall I start? Yes, let us start our maths work. Okay, let us start it today. So, today we will start our new unit of mathematics. What's that? That is unit 14. Okay, and what is that unit? It's an area. Okay, so all of you will open your workbook, page number 87. Okay, so let us start. Before starting our workbook, would like to introduce you about area. Okay, let me tell you something about area. So what's an area? See, area, it is the space occupied by this shape, or we can say the space inside a border. How much space is inside this border, inside this plane shape? We can call that its area. See, this is a book. How much space is inside this book? Okay, not outside, inside this book. We can call that an area. The surface inside a border is called area, or we can say the space occupied. How much space is occupied by this shape is its area. Okay, let me tell you more about area. Okay, see, what's an area? Okay, what's an area? Tell me. Yes, it's the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. It's called its area. How much space which is occupied by any plane flat shape, that's called its area. You can see here, area is the space that you see on the ground. See, it's the ground, and there is some shape here. There's some it's a ground, and some shape is here. It's a square, and some small squares are drawn here, and some plants are here. See how much space it is occupied inside this box. It's a box. Okay, how much space it is occupied inside this box? We can call that its area. Okay, we can call that its area. Yes. So, but what now the question is, how we measure the area? Can you tell me how much we measure area? So we measure area in square units. How we measure area? We measure area in square units. That means now what's area? Area is the area of a shape, refers to how much space it is inside. Okay, how much space it is inside this flat shape, we can call that its area. And how we measure area? Yes, exactly, we measure area in square units. Okay, see, let me tell you more about area. Okay, so now area, the amount of surface inside the border. Okay, the amount of surface inside the border, we can call that area. See, one plane figure is here. How much space is inside this figure? We can call that its area, not outside the figure, only inside. How much it is occupied inside, we can call that its area. Now how we will measure the area? Yes, tell me. We measure area, very good, in square units. Okay, we measure area in square units. Okay, square units. The measurement of area is the number of squares that is covered, the area, how many squares it is covered inside it, we can call that its area. So let me tell you more about area. Area in square units. How we will measure area in square units? We measure area in square units. Yes. But now how? Before telling that, I would like to tell you this. See, each square, this is very important and you have to remember it, okay? Just listen it carefully. Each square is equal to one square unit. Means each square is equal to is one square unit. Each square is one square unit. But each triangle is half square unit. How? How it is a half square unit? See, two triangle make up a one square, means this is half, right? This is a triangle, means this is half of square. Okay, but when we will join two triangles, see, half triangle is here. If we will join one more half triangle here, then two triangles will make up one square, right? It will make up a one square. See how it will make up a one square. See, each triangle square is 1 square unit, and now half, if we'll cut this square, it will become half. That means it is half square unit, right? That means if we will join two triangles, it is how much? Two triangle make up one square, right? Two triangle make up one square. Let me give you one more example. See, this is the plain figure here, okay? What is this? One, two, three. How many squares are here? Three squares. But there are some more figures here. How we will count it? What is this? This is triangle. And what is this? This is also a triangle. But if we will join, this is half and this is half. Half plus half becomes 1. And if we will join, it's written here, two triangle make up one square. That means if we will join these two triangles, it will make up one square. And if we will join these two triangles, it will make up a one square. That means how many squares are here total? 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 3 plus 4 plus 5 means this figure has a total area. How much total area it is occupied, this figure? 5 square units, because we measured area in square units. Okay, see, one more example is here. What is the area of following figure? Can you tell me the area of following figure? See, one figure is here in front of me. This is a plain figure. Can you tell me how much area it is occupied? Okay, tell me. See, let us count it. We will divide it into squares. Okay, how many squares are there? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total area, how much it is occupied? How many square units it is occupied? Exactly. There, the area of this figure is how much? Very good. 5 square units. Very good. That means this figure, how much the area of this figure is? 5 square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is divided into 5 squares. That means the area of this figure is 5 square units. This was all about area and how we measure area. We measure area in square units. Okay, now we will start our, it's very easy. It's not difficult. When we will do practice, we will do, now our workbook will start, then we will do our activity book. So you will learn, it will become very, very easy for you. Okay, so now next we will start our workbook, page number 87. All of you will open and it will become easy. Okay, now students, let's start our work for today. Okay, this is your maths workbook. Okay, so you will open your page number, see, this is page number 87. Okay, see, page number 87, you will open it. Okay, let's do our work. See, this is unit, as I told you, this is unit 14 and its area. Okay, see, it's part A, area in square units. Okay, we measure area in square units. As I told you before, we measure area in square units. And what's area? It is the surface inside a border, inside any plane shape. So we measure area in square units. That means each square is equal to 1 square unit. Okay, so each square is equal to 1 square unit. And what is this? Each triangle, okay, this is a triangle, plane shape, 2D shape. It is equal to half square unit. How is it equal to half square unit? See, it's half square triangle, right? So half triangle and what to say that? Two triangles, okay, two triangles make up a one square. How? I will show you. See, I will show you how two triangles make up a one square. See, it's, I will draw a triangle here. Okay, now see, okay, see, this is a triangle. This is, from this side it's one triangle and from this side it is one triangle. I can show you like this also. See, I can show you like this also. See, if you will see like this, it's a triangle, and if you will see like this, see, if you will see like this, it's a triangle, and like this it is a square. And in one square there are how many triangles? Two triangles. Okay, that means half, so that we can say
two triangles make up a one square. Okay, two triangles make up a one square, and each square is equal to how much? One square unit. And each triangle is equal to half square unit because it's only half. Okay, now let us start. So number one, A part, write the total number of square units of the figure. See, there are some figures. So now what you have to write? You have to write the total number of square units. How many squares are there? Okay. See, number one, this is the figure here drawn. So you have to count how many squares are there. How many square units are there? So let us start. Write it. How many squares are there? We will write it like this. 1, 2, 3. So how many square units are there? Exactly, there are 3 square units. Okay. Now let us do another one. See, this is a shape, plain shape. This is a square. Okay. Now we will count how many squares are in this square. Okay. How many squares are there? How many square units are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many total number of square units are in this plane shape? Very good, excellent. There are total number of 4 square units in this shape. Let's do another one. 1. Let us do check how many square units are there. 1, 2. Oh, what is this here? This is a triangle, and half each triangle is equal to how many square units? Very good, because it's only half, so it is equal to half square unit. Okay, because it's only half triangle, so it's equal to half square units, because two triangles make up a one square and it's only half, so we can say that 1, 2 and half means there are only two squares. See, two squares, 1 and 2, and how many triangles are here? 1. So we can say 2 squares and 2.5 square units. Okay, let's check another one. Oh, what is this? These are not squares, these are only triangles. How many triangles are here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many triangles make up a one square? Very good. Two triangles make up a one square. So how many triangles are here? See, I will write it half and half and half and half. So how many triangles make up a one square? This. Okay. Two triangles make up a one square. Two triangles make up a one square. That means 1 and 2. Total number of square are how many? 2 squares. So total number of squares are how many? Can you tell me? Yes, 2 are here. 1 and 2. So we can write here 2 square units. Okay, this was all about page number 87. Now we will continue this. We will do another page, page number 88. Now dear, this is page number 88. So let's continue. This is part 5. See, we will count in this how many squares are here, how many square units are here. Okay, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, and what is this? Again, this is a triangle. And how many triangles make up a square? 2 triangles, but this is only half. So we will write here half. So how many squares are here? 1, 2, 3. Very good. 3.5. It is just 3.5 square units in this figure. There are only 3.5 square units. Okay. Let's do part 6. Let's count in this figure how many squares are there. How many square units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now can you tell me how many square units are in this figure? Exactly, there are 4 square units in this figure. So let's write here 4. It's very easy if you will understand properly. So easy. See, now let's count here. How many are here? See, I will write here 1 and 2 squares, and this is triangle means half square, and here also triangle means half square means 1 and 2, and when we join this triangle and this triangle, two triangles make up a Very good. Two triangles make up a one square. That means 1, 2 and 3 triangles, 3 square total. That means 3 square units. Okay? Understand? Let's do another part. Part 8. What is this? We can write here 1. And what we will write here? This is half, this is half, this is half, this is half, and two half make up a one. Two half make up a one square. That means one, and we can write here two. For your clarification, I wrote here three. That means 1, 2, 3, because two triangles make up a one square. 1, 2, 3. So how many squares are here? 3 square units. Okay, let's do the last part 9. Check how many squares are here. 1, 2, 3. And what is this? Yeah, this is half, because half triangle is here only. So how many square units are here? 1, 2, 3. Very good. 3.5. 3.5. It's all about page number 88. It's very easy, right? Very good. Let's do another page. Page number 81. All of you turn your page number 81, 89. Now see, this is page number 89. Okay, let's do it. See what we have to do in this page. This is write the total number of square units of the figure. See, here also there are some figures, and again you have to write the total number of square units. Okay, let's do it. See, let's count. This is part 1. Can you tell me how many square units are here in this figure? This is one shape, plain figure. So let's count it. How many square units are here? Count it. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4. Now can you tell me how many square units are here? Exactly. There are 4 square units in this figure. So what we will write here? Very good. We will write here just 4 only. Let's do another one. Can you tell me how many are here? We will count it. This is some plain figure here. We will count how many square units are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many square units are in this plain figure? Exactly 5 square units. Okay. Now let's count this one. See, 1, 2, 3, and this is what? Only half triangle. So we can write here half. That means how many are here square units? Exactly 3.5. Very good. So now see, let's do another part. How many are here? See, it is just here. I will write here 1, 2, and here how many? It's just half. It's just half, half and half. That means when it is half, 2 square make up a 1. Two triangles make up a 1 square. That means we will consider it. We will write here 3. And this one we will consider one more. That means it is equal to 4. That means how many are here? 1, 2. These two square triangles equal to 1. That means 3. And these two triangles equal to 1. That means 4. Total number of squares are here 4. Okay, dear students. So this was all about page number 89. So students, this was all about area. What we learned today about area. What is area and how we measure area. Okay, and so you will do practice at home also, and this is very easy. This is not difficult. When you will do, this will become very easy for you. Okay, so now our workbook is finished. Unit 14, area. So now in the next video and the last our video of our syllabus, I will finish in our next video inshallah. So we will start our activity book. Okay, same unit 14 area. So this was all about today. I hope you understood it well, what's area and how we measure in area. Yes, And what's area? It's about the space which is inside a border. And how we measure area? We measure area in square units. Okay, and each square is 1 square unit, and each triangle is half square unit, and two triangle make up a 1 square, right? So that's what we learned today. So till next video, take care of yourself, stay inside home, and thank you so much, dear students. Bye bye.